Welcome to Soft Asia. PHP data types. PHP data types are used to hold different types of values. PHP has 8 primitive data types, that is integer, float, string, booleans, array, object, resource and null. First of all, we will discuss string. A string is a non-numeric data type. It holds letters or any alphabets, numbers and even special characters. You can use single or double quotes to specify string. Example. Here is example of string. We have two variables x and y. X has the value hello world, which is in double quotation, and y has value hey there in single quotation. As we know, string can be specified in double and single quotation. Then we will echo both variables. Here is the output. You can see both string as output. PHP integer. Integers are whole numbers without a decimal point. Integers can be specified in decimal, base 10, hexadecimal or octal notation, optionally preceded by a sign minus or plus. Example. In this example, we will see how to check integer in PHP. First of all, we will assign any number to x variable and then var dump it to check whether the number is integer or not. Here is the output. You can see output is int 5985. It means number we assigned is an integer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.